Today's recipe is called Fish Yam Balls. Step 1. You add your salt, add some water, then cover the pot, then allow to boil. Then after boiling, you mash the yam, then blend or pound the yam. Before we begin the next step, wash your hands with warm water and soap. I can't remember the countless of time I had to wash my hands. Blend or pound your yam. I had to wash my hands again so that I could feel if there are lumps in the blended or pounded yam. Add your onions and pepper. Add your fish. Then wash your hand again before doing this. Mix everything with your hands. Roll into equal size balls. In case you want to use the restroom after doing this recipe filled with pepper, wash your hands with soap and water to avoid stories that touches the heart. Then fry. Deep frying is more preferable. Fry until golden brown. Our fish yam balls is ready.